this video, I'll be showing you how to get this colorful reverse ombre cut crease. If you want to know how, then don't click away. I'm using the Urban Decay Eden Primer Potion for my base. Once I'm not using Shape Tape, who am I? I'm using in this tutorial is the James Charles palette, and I'm picking up some of the pink called Skip and I'm placing that in the inner part of my lid. Blend the edges of the darker pink. I use the lighter pink called Pinkity Drinkity. Is that how you say it? I don't know. Then I take Rested, which is this medium orange, and I place that in the middle, making sure I don't spread it out too far. And just like with the pink shade, I use the lighter orange, which is 518, to blend the edges. Yellow shade called B, I add that to the outer part and I bring it out past my eye to form like a wing shape. I did purchase a new concealer to try out from Smashbox, and it did pretty well to cut my crease, and also had very good coverage. With the colors I used on my crease area, I used those to fill the space I just carved out, except I did them in the opposite order. Now for some glitter, I go in with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal and Starfire, and I trace the line between the crease and lid.
I can feel it somewhere inside, haunting, like a drug I keep on wanting. There's a love that fits so perfect, it's hard to believe. There's a reason I can feel my heart stop beating, and the air gets tough just breathing. I'm alone, but I'm still feeling like someone's with me. It's strange.
I prep my face with the NYX Honey Dew Me Up primer, and then I tried out the Tarte Face Tape Concealer. And I actually liked it. It wasn't too drying and looked smooth. Also covered pretty well.
I know you're out there.
I also used the Smashbox concealer, and sorry Tarte, but I found a new love.
Time is unfair, 'cause I know you're out there somewhere. patient, waiting unaware, feeling like your grip might slip too soon. But I'm running, chasing speed and gunning. I'll be right there all of a sudden. I feel your heartbeat lead me straight to you. It's strange, I know, but I feel like you're here with me. It's like chasing gold.
To set, I tried out this pressed powder from It Cosmetics called Bye Bye Pores. It made my under eye look bomb, and like I said, my pores looked non-existent. To contour and add dimension, I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Powder and Rich Amber.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
I went in with the Morphe Warm Blush Palette and I dipped into the color Unapologetic to use as a bronzer.
We are heroes
With the same palette for my blush, I used the color Sweet.
ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to...
After spraying my face with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Spray, I highlight my face with Jeffree Star's Sarcophagus. Sarcophagus? I don't know how to say that. Whoops.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Magically appear with brows. I wish it was that easy. Then for my lower lash line, I use the colors on my lid and place them there.
We are heroes tonight. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
dress in the style Brassiere. And the last thing is my lips. I use Jeffree Star Intelligently.